Hello guys, I have a good news for you. As you can see, I am providing CA Inter costing lectures for free of cost. Few things which I would like to tell you, that is, first of all, these lectures are free. You can access them. Okay, my name is CA Rahul Panchal, and yeah, you are going to get the lectures for CA Inter costing. Again, that is for free. Sir, what will be the duration? The duration will be approximately 130 hours. That will be your duration. My contact number is 996-773-6613. Just in case you have any doubt with reference to this, you can just WhatsApp on this number. And one more thing, I'm launching few books and again a crash course of costing and accounts also. So just in case you want to buy that in future, you can save this number for that matter. And my Insta ID will be Lost in Cost. Okay, and if you want notes, that is question bank for this course which you are going to watch, or even the solution part, what you can do is you can check the description. In the description and in the comment box, link will be given, Google Drive ka link will be given. That's it. And lectures will be conducted in basic English language. So just I can say just all the best guys. Start watching the lectures. Bye bye. Yeah, bye bye.